Okay. What's that called? Just wait a minute. You are Sharada. Yeah, right. Okay. Sharada. Okay. TV. Yeah, you are order the PenQ TV showroom and TV. It's a 22,000, 27 inches. Go and bring it money.
Money?
Money. Yeah, right.
Money?
Bang.
பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்கு பக்கத்து வீடு.
No. This, not a money. Paisa give. 20,000. You are order the TV. Give.
நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணல.
Huh?
நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணல.
I don't know Tamil, ma'am. Please explain to English anything. Huh?
Is
Huh?
was
Yes, was?
order nahi.
You are order the 22,000 TV. You give money, you take the TV, ma'am. I have to, not a time. I don't have a money, time.
That is property nahi order.
Order yes was.
ஏய் இங்கிலீஷ் என்ன எனக்கு தெரியாது நினைக்கிறியா?
அதுவும்
இங்கிலீஷ் என்ன எனக்கு
ஒண்ணும் தெரியாதோ? Bloody hell. What do you say like this?
beautiful colorful.
எது? Mummy, show what a country food, ma'am.
Absolutely. கஷ்டமா இருந்தாலும் சொல்ற நீ.
Country food, ma'am.
Country food.
Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Okay, please give money. I have to know at a time.
Yeah.
How much of delivery is that?